30 years in IT, my passion is motorcycles. That passion has sent me on a journey to try and experience every motorcycle possible, to not only learn about the bikes, but also myself. Share the journey, and let's enjoy the ride together. Ladies and gentlemen, 2023 GSX-S1000GT. This bike is their sports tour 999cc inline 4-cylinder engine with 150 brake horsepower, 86 foot-pounds of torque, and $13,349. Let's see what it sounds like. Ooh. This could be fun. We have a much larger group right now. So we're going to see how interesting this is. We are following the Busa. Well, hopefully get out there on the road with that at some point. Oh, the quick shifter on this bike is really good. So this bike is your direct competitor for the Ninja 1000 SX. And first impressions, rider position, very comfortable. A little bit of a lean forward, more of a sports touring style. The windscreen is non-adjustable, which the Ninja 1000 is adjustable. It's 498 pounds, so actually this is just a little bit lighter than the Ninja 1000 SX. So I think that's going to bode well for this bike's future in my mind. But we'll get on the road here and actually get up to speed, and then we'll find out how much this thing bodes well once we get through this city traffic, which has not been the most fun. Yeah, just like the Ninja 1000, it is very, very vibrational at that 4,000 to 5,000 RPM range, vibrating all the way up into the seat, vibrating through the foot pegs, and just a little bit of vibration in the hands. So you can expect that. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that vibration. I mean, the vibration on this is worse than the Ninja 1000. The power is phenomenal, don't get me wrong, the power is really good. This has a little bit more horsepower claimed than the Ninja 1000. The Ninja 1000, I believe, is 140. This is 150. But what's 10 horsepower among friends? It's got some good get up and go. I mean, I'm in 4th gear right now, sitting at 5,500 RPMs. Red line is 11.75 based on, based on the tachometer. I do like the dash on this. It's very easy to read. It's very well lit. You don't have a problem there. Very stable. Gets up to speed really good. I have to track that 0 to 60 on the video and see how it was. But yeah, it gets up to speed really quick. And I like that. know, what's not to like? So, I mean, for a sports touring bike, right, this does have cruise. How do I turn it on? Is the question. I don't know how to turn it on. Oh, wait. There. Figured it out. There's a button there. Dumbass. Obviously, it's a very stable bike. I mean, there's no problems with this bike at all from that perspective. Oh, that bug just didn't hit the freaking lens. It blasted my visor. That's a very stable bike and very easy to ride. You know, from a experienced rider's perspective. But I was talking to another gentleman earlier today about this bike. He rode it, and I was trying to get his thoughts and what he felt about it. He was a little bit newer to riding, and he rode this bike and he said, man, I don't know, man, the power delivery is just crazy. I said, well, what are you coming off of? He said, well, I ride a CF Moto 300 right now. So, yeah. The difference between that bike and this bike? Oh, absolutely. It's night and day. This bike is a monster compared to that. But when you're used to riding faster bikes, honestly, this bike is pretty tame. It's easy to ride. It's very comfortable. If it wasn't for that vibration, it'd be really good. The only thing that I don't like about this bike is the vibration. The vibrations are really taking the enjoyment out of the bike for me. I mean, I think Suzuki could do a little bit better about dampening that. Because aside from that, this bike is really good. This bike it's not a bad bike at all. I mean, you have fully adjustable suspension. You have all the bells and whistles you could ask for on a bike. Decent wind protection. It's got a good look to it. I like this bike. The ultimate question is, do I like this bike more than the Z or the Ninja 1000 SX? And I guess maybe it's the Cowie simp in me that's coming out and saying no. I mean, again, this is not a bad motorcycle. It holds its line very easily. It's very, very stable. It's a really good bike. But it is not as good as the Ninja 1000 SX. It's just not. And I like this bike. I like it. I like it a lot. But I wouldn't buy it. And there's, you know, that's personal preference. I mean, that's why I'm filming this, because, I mean, you may disagree, and if you do, let me know. I mean, you know, share it with the group. Maybe you have a different opinion of this bike. But the Ninja 1000 SX, it's, I don't know, a little bit more, to me, it's just a little bit more refined of a platform. As a sports tour, you know, as a sports tour, the Ninja 1000 SX is a more refined platform, and I enjoy it more than this. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. As always, stay safe and enjoy the ride.